What's up, guys? So here's the latest for Jasmy cryptocurrency. We're going to look at the latest news. This is as of March 31st, 2026. After we look over the news, we're going to be looking at the chart, which I'll show you right here. We have a daily and a weekly time frame, which I'll be breaking down for you. So make sure you drop a like, you subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. How you feeling about alt season right around the corner? Today is March 31st, 2026. This is what people are saying about Jasmy. Community Bulls are celebrating its top 100 status. So it's in the top 100. Great job. Don't care about that. There are thousands of cryptos out there. Not really a big deal. Technical analysis see a strong bullish structure forming if key support holds. I'm going to be going over this in today's video, the bullish structure that they are talking about here. Number three, short sellers are setting up future trades targeting a drop below 0.009. Okay, we're already below 0.009, so not sure what that even means. Long-term holders are discussing the fundamental shift brought by the new Jasmy chain L2. Let's skip all this because this is just opinions from others, and let's just go to the conclusion. Jasmy, basically the conclusion is mixed, split between technical traders spotting a potential reversal, which we're going to be talking about today, and skeptics positioning for further decline. So some people are saying we're going to go even lower than where we're at right now. All while long-term discussions pivot to its new layer 2 utility. Watch for sustained break above 0.0086 to 88 support zone to validate the bullish technical thesis. That's a good point. The last sentence right here. That's about it. That's a good point. So let's look at the daily right now. You could see, actually, let's zoom out and look at the weekly first. Here's what's interesting about Jasmy, guys, is I'm going to go back all the way to March 2023. We're looking at the last 3 years of data right here. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't yet. And you could see that we have support. We come up, we test it, support, we break. Becomes resistance. But guess what? This candle broke it. Goes up. Guess what this white arrow did? Support. Very, very strong support based off this move right here. Hopefully that makes sense. Big move. We'll talk about why the big move happened and if it can happen again. Then we top. We topped in. When was the date on this? December 2024, I believe. We have an A, B, C correction. Very clean correction. But here's the thing that's really important that no one's really telling you is we have support right here. This wick lined up perfectly with the last two times we reached support. Okay. And it was a long wick. So this looks very strong, in my opinion. Unlike this, which was a big red candle, unlike this even, which was a big red candle, okay? Unlike even this, here's a longer wick, but then 2 more weeks of red candles, we popped right back up, and now we've been consolidating. So what do you think is about to happen when looking at this structure right here? Okay, no one else is breaking this down for you. So if you haven't liked it, like the video. Share it with your cousin. This is really important stuff. Now, let's look at something else that's really important. The volume. See how the volume right here got above the blue line? Let me draw it out for you if you can't see. The volume got above the blue line. So what happens? Jasmy pushes higher. This move alone in just a month, once it bottomed, was a move of 86%. I'm pretty sure a lot of you would be very happy with an 86% move for Jasmy. All we need, guys, let me go back here, is a little bit of volume above the blue line. Let's see again, above the blue line. See all this right here? Above the blue line, volume. Let's look at the bottom to the top, 148% move. A lot of you would be very happy with a 148% move. So why is this? Because the volume. Look at this volume, guys. We started to creep above the blue line. Boom. Big move from the bottom to here. A lot of you would be extremely happy with a 500% move for Jasmy. Okay, I hope you're getting the picture. Because if we look at today, here's another one, guys. Volume above the blue line. Boom. What was the price? We went up 276%. A lot of you would be happy with that. We have the ABC correction. To me, and this is just my opinion, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just studying this stuff every single day. And by the way, if you want more information on all my holdings And all my price targets for stocks and crypto, you could join the Patreon today. You get 10% off if you lock in the next 12 months, which I highly recommend if you want to learn everything that I teach on here. Looking at this now, the volume, where are we at on the volume, guys? Let's check it out. Let me zoom in for you. One more thing. Volume above the blue line. Buy volume is yellow. Big move. So the weekly, then we're going to look at the daily. Look at the volume. Just going lower and lower. This tells me that Jasmy is not ready for the big move yet. But it could be once we get the volume above the blue line. Okay. So right now, it's pretty boring. Not much to say. But the technicals are there. We're holding support. We have the ABC correction, which happened here. Now, if we look at the daily time frame, you could see that we're just trading sideways. Since February 5th, almost 2 months of sideways action. Let's look at the daily volume. See how it gets above the blue line? Big move. Where are we at on the daily volume? Not there yet, guys. We're still below the blue line. We're starting to creep up. So maybe we're turning around here, which is a good sign. The other thing that I think is really bullish for Jasmy right now is the RSI. We have bullish divergence on a weekly time frame, which is very good. Okay, very good. I would hate for us to flush down. That would be horrible. If there's some type of black swan event, then yeah, maybe it could happen. But right now, it's holding steady, and it looks pretty good to me. Now, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope you guys have a great last day of March, and welcome to April tomorrow.